Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Office 2024 for free, legally, using official Microsoft tools. No cracks or unauthorized methods. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a dedicated folder on your desktop for the installation files. Right-click on your desktop, select New, and then choose Folder. Name the folder Office 2024. This will help keep everything organized throughout the process. Next, open your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the first link to go to the official Microsoft page. Download the Office Deployment Tool to your default Downloads folder. Once downloaded, we will install it into the Office 2024 folder that we created on the desktop. Now, let's open the Office Customization tool to customize your installation. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Office Customization tool. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll need to do is select the architecture of your Office installation. 32-bit or 64-bit. Choose the one that matches your system configuration. Next, select the type of Office suite you wish to install, such as Office 365 or Office 2024. After this, you'll be prompted to select the version of Office. Choose the version that suits your needs, whether it's the latest or a specific version. After selecting the version, you'll see a list of Office apps. Here, you can toggle apps on or off depending on what you need. The next step is selecting your preferred language for Office. In the Office Customization tool, you can choose from a list of supported languages. Select the language you want for your Office installation, making sure it matches your needs. Once you've customized your Office setup, it's time to export your configuration. On the right-hand side of the Office Customization tool, click the Export button. This will generate a configuration file in XML format, which contains all the settings you just configured. Now, go to your Downloads folder where the configuration.xml file is saved. Copy this XML file and paste it into the Office 2024 folder that we created earlier on the desktop. This will keep everything organized, ensuring that all necessary files are in one place for installation. Next, we need to move the Office 2024 folder into your C drive. Now, let's open Command Prompt with administrative privileges. In the Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. This is necessary to run the installation command with the proper permissions. Once Command Prompt is open, type CD, which stands for Change Directory, followed by a space, but don't press Enter just yet. Now, go back to the Office 2024 folder. Click on the address bar in File Explorer, and copy the full folder path. The path should look something like C:\Office 2024. Come back to Command Prompt, paste the folder path after CD, and press Enter to navigate to that folder. Now that we are in the right directory, it's time to start the installation. In Command Prompt, type setup/configure configuration.xml and press Enter. This will tell the Office Deployment tool to start the installation using the configuration file we just created. The installation will begin, and this may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection and the apps you selected. After the installation is complete, it's time to verify that everything was installed correctly. Open Microsoft Word or any other Office app you selected during setup to check if it opens without issues. If Word opens successfully and is ready to use, congratulations! You've successfully installed Office 2024. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.